Hi fourth graders, and welcome to Flex Wednesday. Today's going to look a little different, and it's your job to be independent in this lesson today. What we're going to do is we're going to do a few review things that we've learned from Monday and Tuesday. You're going to need to, as this video goes on, pause it in order to solve, and then press play to find your answer. Let's start together. As a review, I want you to think, in the number 76,824, what is the value of the digit 8? What is the value of the digit 6? What is the value of the digit 2? And what is the value of the digit 7? I want you to pause the video and find the value of these 4 digits. When you're ready, press play. Okay, did we have a chance to solve for the value of each of these 4 digits? If you didn't, pause the video. Make sure you're getting all 4 digits. If you did, let's go over our work. So I'm looking at the value of the digit 8 here. It's in the hundreds place. So I know that value must be 800. Next, I'm going to look at the digit 6. The 6 is in the thousands place, so I know its value is 6,000. The value of the digit 2, since it's in the tens place, must be 20. And last but not least, the value of the digit 7 is in the 10,000s place, so it has to be 70,000. Nice work. Let's review another one. Okay, so now let's think about a different kind of review work we've worked on this week. I want you to write a number that has a 6 in the tens place, a 3 in the thousands place, 2 in the hundred thousands place, 9 in the ones place, 5 in the hundreds place, and a 1 in the 10,000s place. Pause the video and use this information to create your digit. When you're ready, press play. Okay, I really want you to make sure that you have this digit written down with all of the numbers in the right spot. Are you ready? So, what number is it? If I was putting all of the digits in the correct spots, I would have come up with 213,569. Tricky work. You really have to think tightly about those. Let's move on to another type of review. The value of the digit 3 and the number 4,394 is blank times as large as the value of the digit 3 and 1,932. So you're going to pause the video again in a moment. And when you do, this question is asking you to think about the digit 3 here is in the hundreds place, and the digit 3 here is in the tens place. How many times as great is this 3 to this 3? Once you figure that out, I want you to move down to the second problem. The value of the digit 6 in 600 is blank times as large as the value of the 6 in 60. So again, the digit 6 in the hundreds place versus the digit 6 in the tens place is how many times as large? When you have your answers, press play. Okay. So, when we're jumping from one place value to the next place value, you're jumping 10 times as great. So to get from tens to hundreds, I'm multiplying by 10. So the 3 in this digit is 10 times as great as the 3 in this number. Same thing goes down here. The 6 in 600 is 10 times as big as the 6 in 60 because it's jumping from one place value. So your answer was 10 times as great for both of these. Now I want you to take a look at these digits. And I want you to compare them using your greater than, less than, or equal to signs. When you have your answers, press play. Okay, so I'm noticing that this number, 4,673 and 4,788, both have a 4 in the thousands digits place. So if I look at the next place value, I have a 600 and a 700. 600 is less than 700, so 4,673 is less than 4,788. Same thing with my next one. 397 is less than 398. Now this next number here was tricky. I had 76,985 and 75,986. 76,000 is larger than 75,000, so I know that it's greater than. Oops. My last problem, 63,823 and 63,823 are the same, so I would write equal to. Put these numbers in order from smallest to largest. Pay attention to the place values of these digits. When you're ready, press play. All right, mathematicians, are we ready? From smallest to largest. So the smaller number should be first, the largest number should be last. If you organize these correctly, you would have started with 50,900, then 91,400, 93,100, 494,200, and 636,400. Nice job. So today, as you're continuing to work through your playlist, I want you to finish your math boxes from the lessons on Monday and Tuesday. That's page 3 and that's page 6. Make sure every math box is complete. These math boxes we give you aren't just for something to do. They actually practice the skills we're learning so that your brain can actually remember this information for a longer period of time. So it's super important you're getting to your math boxes. Once you finish your math box, you have the option to play a game. The game that would really relate to what we're learning is Number Top It. You can play this in person, or you can play this on Connect Ed games. If you're going to play this in person, it would look like this. You need number cards 0 to 9, 4 each. You need a Top It record sheet, and you need a Top It mat. You're going to shuffle the cards and place the deck on the number of sides down on the table, and each player will play. I'm really impressed with all your math review work today, 4th graders. Let's get started on our Top It game.